Now my boss no wan pay me. Wetin I do? Shebi month don finish. And my girlfriend now don dey disturb me. Ma give am money. As if she give me money, ma keep for her. As if she give me money, ma keep for her. I don't want anybody to disturb me. Hey, don't come again.
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm okay. I'm fine. So how is your day going?
Nah, as you can see, I just did like this. So.
Babe, I have something to tell you.
What is that?
Baby, you know that you promised me money that day.
I know, I understand. She'll be 20K.
That 20,000 I want to use to order hair from Esther Woman on Instagram.
Really?
Yes, she's doing promo.
Oh, they are doing promo?
Yes.
Wow, very wonderful. But, honey, as it starts right now, I never owe cash. My boss never pay me. I be the problem. He never pay me. You know what happen? Just cool down, relax.
Every time you don't have money. Every time you don't have money. I don't understand. This is why I hate broke guys. I don't love them. I don't like them. Every time you keep complaining, I don't have money. I don't did you. What's going on with you?
Babe, wait. So you mean say I dey broke?
You are broke. You are broke.
I'm not broke. Nah, it's just the matter of the issue that I'm having. I'm not broke.
Which issue?
In fact, you don't understand.
Understand what? Rubbish.
Yeah, anyway.
Why are you asking me? Wow. Straight to Lekki. You know how it goes. Since this guy don't want to give me money, every time complaining, he don't have money, he's this, he's that, he's this. What's going on? I'm going to Lekki. Let me go and hook up with dog. 1.5 million.
Babe, hold on. This one where you eat like this, where are you going to?
Are you asking me?
I'm asking you now.
I'm going to Lekki now. I want to go and hook up with dog.
You want to go and do hookup?
With dog, 1.5 million.
With dog, 1.5 million.
What do you expect?
Hey, poverty. Shame. In fact, I'm memorizing your name.
Baby, do you know dog is better than you? Do you know?
How?
Dog is better than you.
Okay, because of 1.5 million.
You see this my ass? Let me go and give it to
Babe,
you.
in fact, see.
Let me go and give this ass to dog. You don't deserve it.
No.
Ordinary 1.5 you don't have. Ordinary 1,500 you don't have. This ass, let me go and give it to dog. Dog need it.
Babe, wait, babe.